CRD create Longhorn volume snapshot using kubectl. In the past, before Longhorn 1.3.0, if the user want to take a new snapshot for a Longhorn volume, user have to use Longhorn UI and click on the snapshot, click on the take snapshot button over here. Since Longhorn 1.3.0, we introduce a new Longhorn snapshot CRD. Therefore, the user can use kubectl to create or delete Longhorn snapshot. Following is a demo for that. So, for example, over here we have I have a Longhorn volume called volume 1, and if I want to take a new snapshot for this volume using kubectl, I can deploy this snapshot CRD. Sorry, I made a mistake. Let's do it again. After applying the snapshot, I can see that there is a new snapshot resource created inside the cluster with the name is the name of the snapshot. Volume name is the name of the volume that this snapshot belongs to. Creation time is the time at which Longhorn system takes the snapshot. Ready to use is a Boolean field indicating whether the snapshot is ready, is successfully provisioned and ready for using. Restore size is a size of a new volume if the user want to restore this snapshot to the new volume. Size is a size of the data inside this snapshot. Because this snapshot is empty, therefore there is no data inside this one, therefore the size is 0. It takes a little bit of time for the UI to sync the new snapshot. We can reload it to see to get a quicker result. So you can see over here there is a new snapshot 001 created. If the user want to create another one, user can do it again, change the name of the snapshot 001 to a new name. And by the way, the snapshot CI has a name, is the name of the snapshot. Namespace is a namespace in which Longhorn system is installed. Specs.volume is referring to the name of the volume. And create snapshot is a Boolean variable indicating whether the Longhorn system should provision a new snapshot for this CI. As you can see, another snapshot is created. It takes a little bit of time for it to successfully provision, and it takes a little bit of time for the UI to sync the new data. If you want to get a quicker result, you can just reload it. Now, if the user wants to delete a snapshot using kubectl, or before that, if the user wants to list all the snapshot inside the Longhorn system, the user can do kubectl get snapshot .longhorn.io inside the Longhorn system. There are two snapshots over here. If the user wants to delete the first snapshot, they can do kubectl delete snapshot Longhorn.io Longhorn system namespace. Snapshot CRD is deleted. Longhorn is deleting the snapshot. It takes a little bit of time for the UI to sync. Reload it to see the result quicker. So that is how to use kubectl to create or delete snapshot. There is one note about this feature, which is if the user try to delete the snapshot right next to the volume head. For example, over here the snapshot 002 is only snapshot is a snapshot right next to the volume head. and suppose that the user try to delete that snapshot, it gonna stay pending there forever, pending deleting forever, because Longhorn volume by design we cannot delete the snapshot right next to the volume head. If the user create a new snapshot, it's gonna be, let's say the user create a new snapshot 003. 003 will be the latest snapshot, and therefore 002 can be removed. So that is everything for the snapshot CRD. Thank you.